understandable English podcast.
Learn English the easy way.
Jessica, you're not going to believe this. I just saw your apartment boxes in the hallway, and one of them is making a sound like something inside is judging me.
That's probably just the kitchen stuff. And welcome back to the Understandable English podcast. Bryan, you always act like inanimate objects are alive.
They are alive when they make noises at me. Anyway, today feels weird because Jessica is actually moving apartments, and I'm here to help, which is a dangerous word for both of us. And honestly, this is the kind of thing you can listen to while commuting, cooking, or staring at your own messy room, wondering how life got like this.
If your room looks like a small storm happened in it, you might relate to this episode. And Bryan is not really helping, but we'll get to that.
If this sounds like your life, leave a like because moving is basically emotional damage in cardboard boxes.
It's not that dramatic.
You say that because you're calm. I opened one box and found random cables, a spoon, and something that might be important or might be trash from 2019.
That's called sorting through things. It's normal when you move out.
I tried sorting through it, but I immediately got emotionally attached to a broken charger. Like, what if I need this in 2040?
That's exactly the problem. When people move out, they don't just pack up objects, they also pack up memories. That's why it feels emotional.
Okay, but why does every object suddenly have a story? I found a mug and I remembered an entire life phase.
Because you're settling into change at the same time as letting go of the old place. That creates emotional tension.
Emotional tension is a polite way to say I was standing in your kitchen, holding a random spoon like it was a museum piece.
That spoon has been with me a long time.
See? That's what I mean.
Before we go deeper, tell us in the comments if you also get emotionally attached to random objects when you move. This helps you practice English and realize you're not alone in this chaos.
So the moving process started simple. Jessica said, we should pack up early. I said, sure, easy. And then reality showed up like a boss fight.
It always looks easy at the beginning.
First problem, boxes. I ran out of space in like 10 minutes. I didn't even know you could run out of space in a room that was already empty.
That happens when you don't plan what to pack first.
I thought I was organized. I was not organized. I was just putting things into boxes randomly like a tornado with opinions.
That's why people need to figure out where to put things before they start packing.
I tried to figure it out, but then I found IKEA furniture instructions in a drawer, and my brain just shut down.
IKEA instructions are their own language.
It's not English, it's emotional coding.
True.
And then came the moment where the apartment felt empty. Like suddenly the walls were different. Even the sound changed.
That part is always emotional. When you move out, the place you lived in starts to feel like a memory instead of a home.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. I thought I was just changing location, not feelings.
That's the hard part. You're not just moving out. You're starting over in a small way.
Okay, but starting over sounds exciting in theory. In practice, it feels like I lost my socks and my identity at the same time.
That's a very Bryan way to say it.
Thank you.
If you're listening and you've ever moved to a new place, don't forget to subscribe and stay with us because we talk about real situations like this in simple English.
So we finally got everything into boxes and then we arrived at the new place. And I swear the empty rooms felt like they were staring at me. Like, hello, build a life here now.
Empty spaces feel strange at first. There's no comfort yet. You have to create it slowly.
I tried to help by opening boxes aggressively, which is apparently not helpful.
Not really.
I also tried to assemble furniture. That was a mistake.
You tried to assemble IKEA furniture without reading instructions.
I prefer creative building.
That's not what it was.
At one point, I had 3 pieces that didn't match anything, and I thought, maybe this is modern art.
It wasn't.
But then something nice happened. Slowly, as things came together, the space started feeling like yours. Not perfect, but yours.
That's what settling into a new place means. It doesn't happen in one day. It builds over time.
Yeah, it's weirdly emotional though.
It is. Change always is.
Okay, pause. I need vocabulary before I become too emotional about furniture.
Good idea. Let's do it.
Vocabulary tour time.
First phrase, move out. It means to leave your home and live somewhere else. Example, I moved out of my old apartment last month.
Next, settle into. It means to become comfortable in a new place or situation. Example, it takes time to settle into a new apartment.
Pack up. It means to put your things into boxes when preparing to leave. Example, we spent the whole day packing up the room.
Run out of space. It means you don't have enough room for something. Example, I ran out of space in the moving boxes.
Sort through. It means to go through things carefully and organize them. Example, I sorted through old clothes before moving.
Get rid of. It means to throw away or remove something you don't need. Example, I finally got rid of broken furniture.
Figure out where to put something. It means to decide the correct place for things. Example, we had to figure out where to put all the boxes.
Start from scratch. It means to begin again completely new. Example, we started from scratch in the new apartment.
Try to notice these phrases in real-life English. Don't just memorize them.
Honestly, moving feels like you move out emotionally, pack up your memories, run out of space physically and mentally, sort through your identity, get rid of old versions of yourself, figure out where to put your life, and then start from scratch while trying to settle into reality.
That was actually a perfect summary.
I didn't mean it to be poetic, but here we are.
Let's slow down now. Moving days are exhausting.
Yeah, I feel like my brain is still in a box somewhere.
It will catch up. It just needs time to settle into everything.
I think I'm going to sit on this empty floor and emotionally process a chair.
That sounds like you.
Thanks for listening to the Understandable English podcast. If you've ever moved out and had to sort through your life in boxes, tell us in the comments. I want to hear your chaos stories.
And remember, new places feel strange at first, but you slowly settle into them. You figure things out step by step. That's actually exactly what moving feels like.
I'm never buying a spoon again.
That's probably not the lesson here.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, here we go. I moved out, packed up everything, ran out of space immediately, had to sort through my life, got rid of half my identity, tried to figure out where to put everything, and then I realized I had to start from scratch just to settle into a place that still doesn't feel like home yet. And honestly, I think I need a nap.